Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Welcome to the 70th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So, guys, I'm going to wait for all of you to join this live session, and there are few updates regarding batch start date. So, I request everybody to join this live session and just tell me that am I audible or not. Can somebody hear me, guys? Am I audible? Hey, hi, Kiran. Hi, Tanmay. Okay, okay. Thank you. So we'll wait for another 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'll start this live session. That is 70th live session of Engineer of Sheikh Roshan channel. So guys, this is live session is mainly for the update of upcoming batches. I have seen so many queries related to the upcoming batches. So I'm going to clear all those queries for you guys. Okay. Yeah, yeah, Kiran, I have seen. Don't worry. Okay. It's fully automated platform and it's our platform, so you no need to worry. Okay. So earlier I used to use other platform, which was a very I faced a lot of issues related to those platform. But I can assure you, this is our platform. Anything will be there. You can send a mail to support@the rate of abros.com. Support. If you have issue in the portal, if you have bought any services or videos are not at all live. Okay, so videos will be live soon, but batches are going to start. That I'm going to update you guys. Okay, but those who have bought the services from abros.com, if they are facing any issues related to that one, send a mail to support@the rate of abros.com, or you can just go to the comment section and there also you can comment, so it will be resolved immediately. Okay, it has been taken care for most of the candidates. Okay, abros.com, this is our email. Okay, and the website is abros.com. Okay, so I know what all your questions. Okay, I am already aware of your questions, guys. Okay, so what questions you guys are going to ask? Most of the questions I am already aware. But if you have any specific questions and all, you can ask. But let me first of all tell you more about the upcoming batches timing start date. So Kiran, just confirm me that you are able to see my screen or not. Okay. And guys, I was not well, keeping well from past 1 week uh, because of the food poisoning, and I was traveling with my family last week. uh, yeah, last week. Okay, and when we came back to my hometown Ranchi, after that all of my family members got sick. Mostly all of us are getting like diarrhea, food poisoning, these things. So heat, I'm not sure, the climate is very abnormal these days, and because of that our body is impacting a lot. So yes, we, my entire family got impacted, right? So now we have recovered almost all of us, and because of that only I have extended the batch to the new start date. Okay, fine. uh, just see here. Okay, are you able to see my screen, Kiran, Surya, Mahesh, Tanmay? Okay, good, thank you. So see here. So see, those who wanted to know about the upcoming interactive live online batches. Okay, so either you just scroll, this is the home page, guys. This is one of the simplest, easiest, according to, if I am not facing any problem, so I am trying to make sure that my candidates should not face any single issue with this portal. Okay, So this is the home page, simple home page. In home page only, so you see there is an announcement also, admission open for batch 7, 8 or 9. Correct. So if you directly wanted to click here also, it will be redirecting you to the batches page. If you click here, just click here, right? So it will show you all the batches which is ongoing, upcoming, completed and all. But if you only wanted to know about the batches, right? So mobile view is different, guys. In mobile it won't look like this, because see, I wanted to show you intentionally in mobile how its homepage will be look like. Okay, so this is the desktop view. So I request everybody to open the portal abros.com, especially in desktop, so you will get better and better view of this one. Okay, it's not an app. Okay, it's a purely website, and it's our website. Okay, so scroll down, just see here. See, if I can show you in the mobile view. So in mobile view it will be little bit different. Are you able to see this one? See, in mobile view it is little bit different. Correct. Why? Because see, here it will show you first popular services. This is mobile view. Okay, in mobile view it is going to show you popular services first of all. But in desktop view, see, the upcoming batches will show you first. That is the difference. So this is why I have asked all of you to please open in which one. So make sure you should be opening in your desktop view. That is better. Okay, so better you should open it in desktop view. So just go to home page. If you don't want it to click here also, so just click on home, right? Come here. See, these are the upcoming live interactive classes. Correct. So then the question will be, sir, if we are going for the live interactive classes, so suppose if I miss any of the classes, this is the first question. Okay, most of the candidate has asked the same question. So if anyone, okay, wanted to enroll in these batches, I'll come to that question. So anyone wanted to enroll into batch 7, batch 8 or batch 9, right? So in batch 7 I am only going to take you through the AWS. And this AWS has a prerequisite. What is that prerequisite? Is that you should be good knowledge and hands-on with Linux and Bash, then only you should go for my AWS. Seriously, I'm telling you. You know, I am very straightforward, guys, transparent. I don't make only for, see, and the fee is very reasonable. I have kept it for all of these batches. Correct? Because this is going to be minimum 30 days it will going to take, means like 1 month it will take to complete this. In this one there are some 13 to 14 use cases will be there, and that is purely production. So if you don't know, so like ABCD of AWS, don't join this batch, right? This is my suggestion, because I am going to use the scripts. Normally I use scripts directly into my batches. Okay, so for that you should be very good. I am again repeating, of not only with that one, with hands on with Linux and Bash, then only join my AWS. Otherwise you are not going to understand anything, because I'm going to use NFS, I'm going to use Samba in this one, in storage gateway and all. Okay, those are the purely projects. Nobody talks about the project in AWS, but my classes will be based on project only. It's purely on project only, production one. It's not something a project from somewhere I'm no, the same project what I have done in my previous organization, those projects only I used to explain to my batches in my environment. Okay, in my environment basically. Okay, so for that, and those who wanted to go for a DevOps, they should be they should be already handy with Linux, Bash and AWS, then only you should come for my DevOps. Because when I used to explain Ansible, I used to explain patching. Ansible comes in DevOps only. I used to explain in DevOps only. So there I used to explain directly how you can do the patching with the help of playbooks, roles basically, and how we are going to create an infrastructure with the help of Terraform code and all directly for the Splunk. Splunk also I used to explain, and then we are going to configure your Splunk server with the help of Ansible. Those kind of a thing I used to explain. The project what I have done, right? Those things only I'm explaining in the batches. Correct. So if you are going for AWS, please make sure you should already has a prerequisite for Linux and Bash. And if you are want to join the DevOps, then you should be very good understanding hands-on with Linux, Bash, and AWS. Then only join my DevOps. Seriously, I'm not here to bring the crowd. No, I don't want crowd. Okay, I want genuine candidates who are serious about their career, and who really wants to know about how a corporate how a corporate project is all about, how we work in company, what all set of projects we do, right? Exactly those things you are going to experience in my batches. That is there, and already candidates are aware, they are getting jobs. Okay, so again, I'm coming back to this batch 9. So earlier the dates were different, but now, as I said, because of my health issues, like last week I had experienced, because of that only, I have shifted the dates to 1 week ahead. Okay, so I have extended basically, and this is going to be fixed. No more changes, only 1 week. So earlier this batch was, I think, 4th of June, I think, right? So now it is shifted to 11th of June. That's it. Right? So you, those who wanted to join Linux, and for Linux and Bash, you don't, there is no prerequisite. First of all, those who wanted to join Linux and Bash, there is no prerequisite. You can directly, anybody, if you are from non-IT, IT, experienced, inexperienced, fresher, anyone can join this one, because the way I used to start, it is from scratch only, everything, right? Fine. So yes. So in this one, fee is, I have, there is no coupon and all. So I have make it very clearly. So I have reduced the fee exactly as per market, even below than market standard. Okay. So I am trying best with that only, guys. So as per my effort, right, and the content what I'm providing, right, that is only I'm charging you. Most of you are aware how much they're charging only for Linux, but no, in this one you are going to learn bash scripting complete. Okay, right, with all scripts which I'm going to give it to my candidates also, all production ready scripts, that also I used to give it to my candidates, right? So if anybody wants to know what is the course fee, please see it here. There is no changes, and please don't ask, sir, give us some discount. And see, I am very, this is what I am telling here. So if you really wanted to invest in your career, then go ahead now. This is the best time. And Linux, Bash, cloud is something which it is not going to get impacted by the AI. Recently, you have heard whether AI comes also, that is going to consume more and more memory. Ultimately, it's hardware only. Ultimately, it's your server only. Okay, and those who are expert with Linux and Bash, they can fit into any of the role. They can fit into any of the role. Okay. Recently, also one candidate Vivek from my batch 6 got 24 LPA package. Okay. So he only went with this Linux and Bash. That's it. Even he has not done AWS and DevOps tools. But at 5 years of experience, I have his. He has sent me his offer letter also. Okay. But I cannot show you. You know, I am a very ethical person, so I am not going to show it to anybody. Okay. Fine. So this is the course fee. If you want to know what all course content I am going to cover, sit here. It is clearly mentioned, right? And this Linux and Bash only, it's going to take more time. Okay, so I think more than 2 months. Okay, it is going to take, right? So see here, and if you wanted to know the duration, it is mentioned here also. It can be finished before also and exact on time. Correct. So what was the first question? So you guys have been asking, sir, this is a live interactive classes, first of all, right? So if somebody has missed the classes, those videos are going to upload it to the this portal only. Basically it's my own central server where I used to upload. And you, once you enroll into this one, you will be added to a batch. Kiran already aware of this one, Kiran, right? You are already aware of this one, Kiran. So he has already added to a group, and in that group only you are going to get all the information. You no need to panic, nothing, right? All your information, all links, everything you are going to get in that group only. Correct? So that is here. So you can see, right? So this all videos. And if somebody now the other question is that, sir, like, okay, fine, the videos you are going to get, and how many, the same question will be, next counter question will be, sir, how many years of access we are going to get for those videos? This time I'm telling you, I have made my terms and condition very clear. Okay? So once you pay this, once you buy this one, there will be a invoice generated, right? So in your invoice also the validity is going to mention, right? So though, see here I've written validity as per terms and condition. Guys, please read all this. I'm not hiding anything, everything in front of you. Okay? So if you are going to, if you are not understanding, go to this terms and condition, right? So the next question will be the validity. So you just click on batches agreement, because this is a batch, right? This is not service. If you are buying a service, read services agreement. If you are buying a videos agreement, videos, read videos agreement. If you are going for one time appointment, read one time agreement. Very clear, it's very clear. And same thing in going to be in your invoice also, so you cannot deny. I have seen candidates, whatever they coming to their mind, they used to write. No, see, you cannot clap with one hand. My values of my life is very simple, straightforward. I'm very ethical. So whatever it is written, it's going to be as it is. Very honest. Okay. So batches. Click on this one. See, it will be redirecting you here. Kiran already aware of this one. Kiran has already part of batch 9. So Kiran, the same thing what it is written here, it's going to be, you have already know, it is there in your invoice. You can read here, right? How many years of access you are going to get. Everything is mentioned over here, right? You can read everything. And please don't go beyond this, right? So please follow all these terms and see here, all what time to what time you are going to get the live support, right? Live support is valid only during the batch duration, means that until the batch will run. It's not the case that for, see, the validity for the videos which is going to be uploaded, it is going to be 3 years. So don't think that that support will be there for 3. No, boss, right? That is during only the batch duration, during the live interactive classes, right? But the video access validity is going to be 3 years. Whatever it is going to be mentioned, it is going to be as it is, no changes. And same thing in your invoice. If you face any issue, you can send a mail to support@abros.com, and it will be immediately addressed for you. Correct? Right? Everything is mentioned over here. Mandatory operational terms and conditions. Same thing I'm going to repeat on the first day of the, for not first, day zero I used to start. Okay? Everything is going to be same as it is, not a small change. I think this is the question, guys, right? So what is that course curriculum, where you can see what is the course fee, you can see, right? uh, for the validity, you can check in the terms and condition, that is going to be in your invoice also. The batch duration will be, this is the exact 3 months. It can be finished before also, and exactly on time also, right? Everything is written, right? So it is here. And somebody is asking, sir, can we go for the demo class? I don't conduct any demo classes. I'm not like others who will 99 rupees, 9 rupees, 199 rupees, 1999 rupees, and they will bring people, and later on they will ask 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. No, it's not like this. Is, I'm very clear what I'm doing. Okay? I'm an old school guy, but I know about the technology, where it's going, right? And how it is going to benefit for you. because I have given almost 15 years to this organization, right? Fine. So in that case, my suggestion is that if you are unsure about my content, it is already available in my YouTube channel. But if you are unsure of that also, directly I have uploaded the previous batch video here of my batch 6. This is day 0. Please go. This is, nobody will do it. Entire video I have uploaded. Same thing I have uploaded till last. Even the day 1 also, introduction to Linux. You click here. See, if you see this I is open means it is unlocked. If it is locked means you have to buy for this one. Okay. It is unlocked. And this is only for those who wanted to see a demo class. No, I don't take demo. I don't waste time for the demo classes and all. I directly start the batches. So if you want to know what I used to taught, what is my teaching style, right? What is my course content, you can see this video and then you can take a decision. Abhishek Roshan is not forcing you anywhere, right? So this is all about this course curriculum, right? Same thing I am going to give it for shell scripting also. I think I have not made it open, so one video I'm going to make it open for you guys. You can go through that one and then you decide whether you want to join this batch or not, whether you are serious about your career or not. So Linux and Bash both I am covering, with all real time troubleshootings, all security scenarios, everything. And the scripts what I have used in my production environment, you are going to get. Plus what you are going to get, the commands which I used to explain in my classes, I used to upload in daily commands. Bash script what I'm going to explain to you, it's going to be uploaded under Bash script. The steps how to install the tools what I'm going to use, everything is going to give it to you. VMware also I used to explain in this one, guys. Nobody will explain VMware administration, but I explain way beyond that. And that is what we do in production environment. VMware ESXi host and all, right? So that also I'll be explaining. CIS benchmark, are you see this one? This is related to security. This also I used to explain during those troubleshooting. Who will explain? You have seen my shorts, reels and all, so you can understand what sort of a content I used to explain, right? It's a pure one, it's a pure production. And if you are coming here to learn ABCD, then don't come and join my classes. I'm straightforward. Okay. So I'm not here to tell you what is Linux, who is Linux Torvald. No, boss. I'm here to tell you how to troubleshoot. Okay. When your manager is asking you to find some logs which is 7 days older, right? You have to know all those things. Correct. You have to handle those pressure, right? So that is there. Correct. So again, so this batch detail is here. Who is the instructor? Abhishek Roshan. As of now, I have not hired anybody to take in place of me. All the batches, all the classes is going to conduct by me and taken by me. Simple answer. Okay. So I think I have given most of the batch duration, the validity of the course, right? And the fee I have told you. Same thing goes for your AWS and same thing goes for your DevOps. DevOps is purely project based. It's purely project based. This is why I'm not like how others are teaching. I don't focus on that one. But being a associate manager was my last designation in DevOps. The projects what I have done as a DevOps engineer, as a lead DevOps engineer, or a senior DevOps engineer, those things I used to explain in my DevOps, right? I am not those things I used to explain what is Ansible and all. No, boss. Those things I don't explain, right? So it's purely, I think six use cases, complete use cases project I used to explain in DevOps, which if one use case you are going to mention in your resume, you are done. That is more than enough to get you selected, because that workflow, how to create infrastructure and then how you are going to configure your tools. Okay. And that is what the project I have done when I was working for those organization, for my clients. basically the migration projects. Those are migration projects only. Okay, that I used to explain in my DevOps purely. But if you are coming for DevOps batches, please make sure I'm not going to explain about Linux or Bash or AWS. No, you should be very well understanding with Linux, Bash, and AWS. Then come and join my DevOps. Okay, simple answer, right? Because DevOps required more expertise with Linux and Bash or any of the cloud. It's not AWS, Azure Cloud, GCP Cloud. If you are expert, you can come with that also. But you must have this. Then only you can come and join the DevOps. Okay, so I think yes, these are the information, guys. Fee wise, I have kept it very nominal. Okay, and the fee is like this. There is no change, there is no discount. It is going to be same for everybody. Please do not ask, sir, give me discount. See, you go and compare with anybody. I'm already giving you the best. Okay, and the content, once you go through, you'll understand what sort of a content I used to explain. Okay, right? Genuine. And I don't do marketing, right? So please join my batches if you are interested. If you are serious about your career, come forward and join, and make sure, right, to grilled by Abhishek Roshan. I used to grill a lot. Okay, if you are not going to join the batches, I'm going to ask, because see, if you are going to give 100%, I'm ready to give 500%, right? So that sort of a intensity you are going to get in my classes. Fine. Now, those who cannot join my batches, they can go for these videos directly. These are the classes videos only videos, no support, nothing, right? These are the same recorded videos are going to be uploaded. Cost is only going to be same or little bit less. Difference will be there because these are the classes videos only. But this is not live at all, because most of you have been telling, sir, I know you have been working in shifts, right? So it's not possible for everybody to join the batches. After so many mails, comments, and all, I have added this section. Only videos, Linux and Bash scripting videos, AWS videos, and DevOps videos, Linux mock interview videos, and more videos I'll be added. If you are comfortable with recorded videos, you can prepare by yourself, but there is no live support for this one, right? So that is there is nothing in it. And these are the services for interview, question and answer. Some of you have doubts, sir, whether these services are videos, or this is not video. Read the terms and conditions. This is pure content. You have to go through the content. These are it's like a book. It's like a book. It's understand that it's like a book only I have created in the form of pages, websites. Okay, you have to go through each and every question. You have to read, right, all those questions. You have to understand the answers, and then you have to implement by yourself. Direct interview questions, those has been asked in the interviews. Okay, right? For this is there, I think I have explained more than enough, right? And again, I am repeating, the batch timings have been changed. Sorry, not timing, dates. The batch dates have been changed. So batch 7 for AWS, it's going to start from 10th of June morning 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. See, and this timing is decided on the basis of your vote only. The votes what you guys have given, according to that only these timings have been decided. So please don't come with a request also that, sir, please make it to 7. Boss, 100 candidates are telling me to make the timing 10 to 11 here. One of you are coming and telling no. So I cannot go according to that. I can go with the votes, right? The democracy is there, right? According to that, the votes will be simple and clear. It was for 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. maximum, and even earlier it was in Hindi, but now you see I have did a vote again, and in that vote most of you have requested for English, the language. So the language what I'm going to use in all these batches, it's going to be English. It's a universal language, it's a global language. For our clients, you are going to communicate in English. Better you should start working on your communication. If you don't want to work on your communication, so Nobody can help you. Who can help you? You yourself. You are your own competitor. Nobody is going to come and help you. Understand this simple funda of your life. Right? So, batch 7, 10th of June for AWS IT Corporate Bootcamp, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Simple. Right? How much you have to pay? 999, 10,000 rupees. Right? Now, for batch 8 DevOps, which is going to start from or I would take this 11 this batch 9, okay, Linux and Bash. Here Linux complete and scripting complete, okay, with here this will be, and it is going to cost you 14,999, 15,000 rupees, okay, for both. Right? And this batch is going to start from 11th of June, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, weekends off, no classes. Batch language, it's going to be English. Now, the last one is batch 8 for DevOps, right? So this is going to be 9999, means 10,000 rupees, right? And batch date, start date is going to be 12th of June, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., Monday to Friday, right? Batch language is English. That's it. What is rocket science into this one? And Abross Technology Services LLP or Abhishek Roshan is not promising any fake jobs and all. I have clearly nowhere it is mentioned that we are going to give you job placement, job and all. No, we don't do such kind of a thing. During my career, how I have achieved, the same way I want my candidate to be achieved. Don't fall in the trap of somebody that he is going to give you job. Nobody can give you job. If you are willing to take the job, job is yours. But you should have the right guidance, right direction, with right set of knowledge. That's it. Nothing else is required. Seriously, I'm telling you. Nobody can touch you. Okay. So once you go through my content, you will understand. Right? And I don't want crowd. I want people who are serious. That's it. Correct? That's it. It's all about my upcoming dates, timing, whatever your doubts, query, where you can send your doubts and query. Please send it to support@the rate of abrosh.com. Or another thing, if you are confused, still you are confused that sir what should I do and all, see, for that you have to go for the career counseling. Don't join my batches. I'm not forcing you to join my batches, boss. Okay, right? So don't join my batches, and I don't do marketing. Okay, so if you are confused, 600 rupees it is going to charge you, because I have given, normally I used to give 30 minutes for this one. It will be get extended only. Okay, so I think you guys have taken OTT subscription. You guys have been taken pizza and all, right? So you invest over there, right? Make sure you first you have to understand where to go. Find out where to go. How you are going to find out? So you have to connect with the right, right? You have to connect with the right person. Doesn't matter it's Abhishek Roshan, but please make sure, but he should be from your field only. So if you have a stomach pain, where you are going, you are not going to go to any government office, right? Or you are not going to go to any engineer. You are going to go, and first of all, if it's related to physician, right? Normal general physician, first you will go. And in that case also, He will suggest you whether you have to meet a gastroenterologist, or whether if you have a any other issue with your body, you have to meet a orthopedic, you have to meet someone else. They are going to redirect you from there, right? So if you don't fall in my bucket, even with Linux, and you are having, you wanted to become a developer, I'll suggest you the right way. I'm not going to teach you because I'm not a developer. I'm an infrastructure engineer basically. That's what I have done it throughout my career, right? So this SRE role, your platform engineer role, site reliability engineer role, production support role, which is related to maintenance and management completely, DevOps role, I comes under this only. I am not who develops a application. I am not an app developer or a Java developer. Okay, so I'll redirect you with the right set. Even that guidance also I can do it, because I have worked as a PHP development in my. So this website what you see here, right? It's basically a CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. That's it. And the backend logic what we have used is PHP. So I know PHP. Okay, I'm not a Java developer. Correct. So it is here, guys, right? So yes, where again, so yes, if you are confused, then go ahead, go with this career counseling. And then even after that also, right? If you are not sure what to do, right? You wanted to have some query regarding these batches and all. See in the right side, I know. Just clear your cache. Sometimes it will see where you get confused. I know. See, it will show you like this. Once you put your name, because I have not cleared the cache, because of that, once you have provided your name and all, ideally it will show you like this. I'll show you. Okay, ideally it will show you like this. See, if I click on this one, see, ideally it is going to show you like this. So once you register here, or you directly, like Kiran, I am giving the name called Kiran, right? So and just simply continue. So it will show you like this. Don't get confused now where I have to. So just click on this only. First you need to click and then write your message. Hi, whatever. Hi, sir, or whatever you just mentioned. This message will come to my backend team, right? Mostly somebody from my backend team is going to answer you, or if they are not able to answer, then I'll be answering. And if you wanted to connect with me for a call about batches, see, this is not a career counseling. If you have a specific query related to the batches, then you just request that person of my team that I want to connect with sir Abhishek sir, or whatever. Okay, so you just tell him, he'll patch the call. In this portal only has the facility. So I am going to call you from this portal. No need to give your mobile number. No need for my mobile number. I'm not going to give my mobile number, and I'm not requesting you to give your mobile number. But we have a tool in place. And why I have built a website only for you guys. So why, what you need to connect with Abhishek sir or Abhishek Roshan for the batches doubts. Write it down right here. So and just tell me your feasible time, or they will tell my feasible, because I'll be not free all the time, right? If we have a specific query, most of the query will be addressed by my backend team. But if they are not able to sort out your query, then I will call you from this portal. From here only I'm going to call you. It has the feature of calling, video calling, everything it is there, this portal. But I can call you, right? So don't get confused when you see something like this, right? See here, when you see something like this, right? Where is that? When you see, just click on this abrosh, then only you can write your message here, right? That's what you have to do it. Connect with me. I'm not asking you to directly go and pay your money and join that, right? That is there. Everything is. Who will do this straightforward and transparent, guys? Nobody. Okay. That's it all about this one, guys. Right? About the batch dates, updates. I think I have addressed most of the query, but still, if I've missed anything, you can send a query. That's what I said, to support at the rate of abroad.com. Right? You can send your query from here also. See, there is a contact us page also. And also, please make sure, guys, don't. Yeah, you can just write your query in the night also, but it will be answered during the time. Because see, if you see the contact us page, see here, there is a timing also we have mentioned for you, right? Work timing. Some candidates used to type night at 2 a.m. I can understand your what you guys are going through, but we cannot answer. This is not a AI. I am not integrate. I can integrate a AI, but I don't want to. I can do simply integrate with this thing with the AI. But is that is not something I don't wanted to do it, because I want genuine answers for you guys, right? So the timing will be Monday to Friday. My backend team works 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you will be get answer between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. only, right? If you have a query, write your name, email address, phone number, subject, message, and send it to us. It will come to our email. My team will be address. If required, I'll be answering. My team will be answering. Simple process is there, guys. What is wrong? There is nothing wrong. And if you are facing issue with this portal, just inform us. Help us to improve our portal. This is our yours portal. This is not somebody else platform. This is our own. 100% assurity. And I don't have an app as of now. Okay, correct. That's it. So I don't see a question over here. Kiran has, yes, audible, sir. I registered. Thank you, Kiran. And yes, screen is visible. I don't see a question as of now. So, guys, I'm not well. Still, that uh, weakness is there, but still, I am trying my best. Right? Thank you, Kiran. Okay. So I don't see, because still that cough and cold also, it's too much. It was there. I'm not sure you guys are aware of Vaishno Devi or not. It's a very steep mountain. So from that we went with our family. Me and my family and my group of people will be there. Manoj sir, any pay after placement course? No, that's what I have made it very clearly. We do not promise any placement, Manoj. Just now you go through this video. Just now I have explained the same thing. No fake promises, nothing. We do not do any placement. Okay. If I have to hire you for my company, I'll hire you for my company. Okay. Directly. But for that, you have to go through the interviews. Simple answer is that. No. The way I have achieved something in my career, same thing I am teaching to my candidates, and most 95% candidates are getting success with my content. My content is only the king, okay, because it is purely from production. It is not ABCD or something, okay? No. And I don't promise, neither me nor Abhishek Abros Technology Services LLP, okay, or anybody from Abros Technology Service LLP. Somebody else will come and tell you no, no. So please bring him, because I have not given anybody rights to tell you that we are going to give you the placement, and we are not going to write it anywhere. Nothing. It's very straightforward, simple, easy, transparent. No fake promises. How to get placed from scratch to get a call? Everything is going to explain to you, but not in the batches. So first you have to get a skill which is required to work in production environment, right? To clear the interviews, interview question and answer is there. For resume building and all, we are not started. We have not added any feature as of now. That will be added soon in the services section. So once it will be added, you can update your resume, right? And If you want to know that how to get a call and everything, you can connect to me via career counseling. Simple answer is that. I will explain you all small bits and pieces, everything in a detailed manner. Okay, with that, if you have a query specific to that, sir, how to get a call, how to update my resume, in what way, right, where to apply, right, all those doubts if you have, go for my career counseling. If you are clear with everything, go ahead for the mock interview. Everything is simple, made it very simple in my portal, guys. Okay, that's it. Right. And the videos I was not able to publish, it is start going to be published, but it will be mostly in the form of shorts. Big form videos will be, I'm not sure I can prepare on that one. Okay, that will be uploaded to you guys. Okay, so but yes, so videos will be keep on coming for you, and I need your support for my channel. So still, those who have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. Your support is much needed. So I'm giving everything for you guys, right? uh, Rest all is your decision. Okay, that's it. Your support is needed. Go ahead and subscribe the channel, because still 70% of the people are not subscribing, they are just watching. Okay, so please go ahead and subscribe the channel. That is giving me lot of, right, that is only a motivation, right, for anybody. Correct. So fine, keep supporting you guys. I know you guys are supporting me a lot. Okay, and make sure, if you want to join the live interactive batches, you can join that one. Those who cannot join the live interactive batches videos, they can go ahead with that one, right? That's it, guys. If no more questions, so let's end up this live session here only. Let's connect to the next live session of Engineer of Sheikh Roshan channel on Sunday. So the timing I cannot sure you. Make sure you, because see, sometimes I used to connect at 9 p.m., but nowadays I am able to connect to 10 p.m. and all. Right. So hopefully between 9 to 10 only I'll be connecting with you guys, only on Sunday, not only in weekdays. I am fully occupied. Okay, and Saturday I reserve for my family. Okay, so that is there, guys. Fine. So yes, that's it for today, guys. So let's end up this session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again for next Sunday, for the next live session of Engineer of Sheikh Lawson channel. Please do take care of yourself, your family ones. Bye bye and Jai Hind.